Let me show you how to share your work in Google Slides. You simply go up to the orange share button, and you can see right now it is private only to me, but I'm wanting to share it as an assignment or share it with classmates or colleagues. The default is restricted, meaning people can't access the link. Right now you can see I'm the owner of this document and it is restricted. If you select the drop down, you can select anyone in Maricopa College or anyone with the link. I like to use anyone with a link because if you select Maricopa Community College District, your classmates or I have to be logged into my Maricopa account. And I know sometimes when I'm in Google, it will default to my home Google, or you might default to your home Google access. So anyone with a link just provides more options. Right now, anyone with the link can view. If it was an assignment that you wanted comments on or classmates or your instructor to edit, you could select one of these options, but we're just going to leave it as anyone with the link can view. You simply copy the link and you are done. Now you take that link and you paste it in your assignment